Mr. Sneeze. This is Coldland, which is a country somewhere near the North Pole. The weather in Coldland is winter all the time. When it isn't snowing, it's freezing, and when it isn't freezing, it's snowing. So you can imagine how cold it is. Because it's so cold in Coldland, everyone who lives there is cold as well. You can tell if someone comes from Coldland because everyone there has a red nose. And people in Coldland aren't the only ones with red noses. In Coldland, you can see red noses, dogs chasing red noses, cats chasing red noses, mice. In Coldland, you can even see a red-nosed elephant. This is the story of Mr. Sneeze, who lived in a small snow-covered colony. Sorry if I'm getting it wrong. In Silver Town. I don't know. The cabinet of Golden IDK. Every morning, Mr. Sneeze woke up, sneezed, got up, sneezed, got dressed, sneezed, went downstairs, sneezed, ate his breakfast, sneezed, and went to work, still sneezing. I don't like this sneezing all the time, he thought to himself every day until one day he decided to leave Coldland and try to find a cure for sneezes. So that very same day, Mr. Sneeze packed his things he'd need for his journey, mainly handkerchiefs and a cake. Sneeze locked his front door, sneezed, locked his front door, sneezed, and went off. He walked and sneezed and walked his way across Coldland. And then he sneezed and walked and sneezed for days and days until Coldland was far behind. The end.